Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt so commands run with the required privileges. Once done, check your current resolver info with ipconfig/all to see which DNS servers are active. This matters because flushing only affects the local resolver cache, not upstream DNS. Now run the first actionable command to clear stale entries. This removes corrupted or outdated hostname mappings that cause browsing errors and lays the groundwork for the next fixes. You will now clear and refresh network state. First run ipconfig/flushdns to purge cached records. Then release and renew your IP to ensure the adapter gets fresh network settings. If problems persist, restart the DNS client service in Services. MSC or use net stop dns cache and net start dns cache. This reloads the resolver process. Make sure to also clear your browser's DNS or restart the browser, because application-level caches can hold old lookups even after the system cache is emptied. Finish by verifying resolution using enslookup example. You should see expected IPs from the chosen server. If resolution is correct, set a reliable DNS and adapter settings, Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google 8.8.8 reduces upstream caching issues. Finally, reboot the PC to ensure persistence. Troubleshooting tip: if issues continue, disable VPN or security software temporarily. Inspect the host's file for overrides, and run netsh int IP reset to reset the T.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.